Hello everyone and welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy loop scarf. This is going to be a small but also fast project. Of course you can make it bigger or just change the size, whichever way you prefer. But I wanted to show you a really cool beginner-friendly pattern and something that also really looks cool. I also have some really interesting yarn that I'm going to use for today, so you can see here what it looks like after it's been done. But yeah, stay tuned and see how I did this and what exactly I used. So here we have the multicolor from Rico Design, and this is 53% polyester, 24% wool, 23% acrylic. It's 50 grams, 90 meters, and for a 7mm crocheting hook. I'll be using my 10mm one, so a little bit bigger today, and we have the color number 6 if you want this exact same one. So let's get started right away. I already have the middle out, and I'm just gonna find the beginning thread. So we are starting with 10 chains. So you can see it's pretty wide, although we did just 10 chains. We're gonna do 3 more for the height. There we go. So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go ahead and do a yarn over and then into the 4th chain from the hook. So skip the 3 for the height and do a treble. And I'm gonna keep doing trebles, 1 per every chain that I see. Yarn over through 2 and 2 more, and there you have a treble. Almost done with this row. This is what we have for now. Here, the very last chain that gets its treble, and then we're done with this row. So now we're going to do 2 chains for the height. We're going to turn, yarn over, and we're going to go in between the existing trebles and do new ones. So no counting, no nothing. You just find a big spot in between each 2 trebles and you do a new one there. And as you can see so far, we've done just chains and trebles, and it's already looking good. There we go. Now we can do 2 more chains, turn. So in case you're wondering why we did 3 chains in the first row to replace a treble and now we're doing just 2, it's because we're going a little bit deeper. So we're not going into the top of each stitch, but instead around it, which kind of changes the height of the entire treble, and then 2 chains are enough. So you can see what it looks like, and we're definitely not tight or anything, so 2 chains suffice from this point on. It's just the first row that has regular trebles, so it needs 3 chains. Row number 3 is done. I'll do another one, but it's already the same thing that you already know how to do. I'll give you a little update in a bit. So you see that I've done quite a bit here. You can also see that I don't have that much yarn left over. So now I'm going to show you how to connect the beginning and end so that you get the loop that you want. So I have here the working thread with the very last treble that I did, and then the beginning here. So I'm going to line everything, make sure nothing's twisted or acting weird, and then we can get started. So I'm going to go here into the next section or into the beginning and do a slip stitch there, and that's how we're going to connect. So a slip stitch is just where you pull the thread through without any yarns over or anything like that. So we're going through both sides, the beginning and the end. Basically wherever you see an open spot, you go through and take your thread with you as you go. Okay, I'm at the other end. So we're gonna pull this out. If it's a bit longer, you can of course shorten it. And then we should have the beginning thread here as well. And then we can tie a knot here. I tie a double knot, sometimes even 3 or 4, just to be sure everything stays in place. But when we weave that in, we already have everything done. So I hope you like the way this looks. I hope you like the colors. I know I do. So we have, the main color is this pinkish shade, but then we have a little bit of gold and silver, I'd say. But yeah, let me know what you think. You can shoot us a thumbs up if you like this project. You can of course subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more crocheting projects, but also in general DIYs. And you can also click on the notification bell, and that way you'll never miss any new videos that we post. So this is what this loop scarf would look like if you would wear it. And yeah, let me know if you've made it, if you've used the exact same yarn or a different one, how well it worked, or post any questions below the video if you have some. Thanks for watching. See you in our next project. Have a wonderful day. Bye!